Oh, here's a rare one you don't see too often. Star Wars Demolition for the original PlayStation. Alright, this is a Twisted Metal style of a game. Oh, this is much better than the last two we checked out as far as the opening crawl. Demolition. The galaxy is engulfed in a devastating civil war, but on the outer rim world of Tatooine, crime lord Jabba the Hutt continues to prosper amid the chaos. Well, that's fine. Let's take a look. That's a good effect. Alright, we'll try a one-player game. We'll do a battle. Defeat all CPU opponents to win. There's old Big Fortuna. Oh, we can go on Hoth. Naboo! Let's do Naboo. There's the boss. Choose contestant. Oh, Boba Fett? Are you kidding me? That's wild. Oh, that's cool. Look at all these different... This is a lot. Alright. We're going to do Boba Fett. Are you kidding me? Of course we are. Oh, and we get to choose. Let's do the skiff. I'm in the mood to fight. Ah, that was Boba's voice. Alright, let's see what this is about. Oh, it's not analog, so that kind of sucks. What are you doing up there? Let's go get you. So this is Naboo, huh? Alright, let's face it, those sounds are pretty damn good. Oh, that's fun. Control is a little bit janky. Ooh. Oh no! Get up. I can't move. Oh snap. I'm getting my butt kicked. Alright, I gotta pick up some of these specials. You'll be special if you join us for BigLipRadio, wherever you get your podcasts. I'll see you there.